Rita Edochie don't send in warning, oh my people. This one just reach us now as it dey hot. And according to Rita, don't send warning to people where they criticize her because she dey close to what's it be name? Odumeje. Now for una wey no know and una wey know at the same time, Odumeje been first come outside, give us in your warning. I don't know whether they plan am. If you ask me, who I want ask. Odumeje first bring in your to say anybody at all wey come outside where they accuse her say they do false miracle, say go deal with the person blue black. Not even up to how many kilometers away, my people. We just a year now say Rita Edochie don't come outside. Also, don't send in your warning. I better put this thing there. In case you cannot see it well, I go read that for you. According to her, I say, for those of you, listen, for those of you still talking anyhow, you will be the next online. This one, he reached to keep quiet first. I cannot shout. My people, since where I received this thing, I did try understand. When I remember in last quote, where bring come outside, they tell us say the waiting cannot be broken. This one, I beg, I know say. I gave smart people now. Una too smart. Now why they like una? And una give me the answer. So I beg. I'm a beggar today. I need somebody to tell me what is the meaning of this message. First of all, you will be the next in line if you talk anyhow. I know, like, I did try to understand. Hey! I cover my kidney with the blood of Jesus. Hey! No, una need any other sign. Sit down there, me pants wear you. You need any other sign as it be like this. May they tell you say this woman something they be. I beg, I'm not talking anything, sha. But na question I ask. You need any no nah. See, you see my problem with Africans. Una go they see white, una go they call am cream. Plain as clear as the water is. You can see the message. You have even dreamt inside this message. Now some of you go tell me say, oh no, nah, me will leave this woman. She get family. He do this one. He do that. In case you no, this is real. It's not movie. Oh, forget say she be actress. It's not movie. And this warning now, what do it mean? And that Jesus now, you don't go. Odumeje bring your own. Now she don't bring your own. And now go tell me say these people, they don't get anything inside this matter. Okay, oh. May I continue. And as for you, I better put her here. In case you don't know, see me very well. Me, I don't be Sika, Gary, I be waiting they call these people. Your words where you they bring come outside, they no fit do she. Yes, I they talk up. See, these people, that's so they go just put fear for our body. Fear, only fear. Talk. What take care of that Jesus? Now they try make una believe say they are powerful. They are so powerful that if you try nonsense, you feel just die. And una too, una go they believe inside. I beg, see, make I tell you something in case una don't know. we get people where they mad. We get people where they mad times two. So now supposed to understand that. Imagine the kind of thing where this woman they bring from his mouth. And they wonder waiting in children, I be in family members say what they think after all these things. Since where that Jesus died, I expect say everybody go they quiet. See, they get, you know that fan, they feel they form boss, so they you don't understand. If they pay me, in case you don't know the thing they pay me, they pay me very well. Kidney snatchers. Hey! I bet focus on your movies, oh. I don't know when you even become pastor. I bet me, I don't know. Now, the only place I know say they see this woman, now for movie, where she they act, where she they do this one, you are next in line. You be God? No, you be God. You are telling people they are next in line for talk, for saying the truth. Are you God? Shame suppose they catch you. No, my people, if I be this woman, I'm not going to even talk. Pim. You are even supposed to be hiding your face. You are supposed to be covering yourself and not come outside. For this your age. see lashes sef. You and your children now, they drag all these things where you supposed to draw for your children to do. Now you even come they do. I don't think many things. But I no go voice am out. This one is between me and me. If this woman no dey careful, make she better dey, if you know her, tell her. Make she dey careful with wetin she dey talk, because see, e go take God 0.000 seconds to strike am. God. No try am. Una don dey feel like God on your own. I no even understand. Very soon now, person go start to confess. So, una know as e dey happen for Africa Magic. This one, you no go be. Now you go act this same role by yourself. You go write the script. You go play am. You go produce am. You go edit am by yourself. You go come outside and start to confess. Very soon. You no be all those ones wey dey do for Africa Magic. I will confess. I kidding. I was this one. now you go do it by yourself. I know they rush. My people, we are here. And we will be here waiting. Because I dey very sure say that spirit, you no go sleep. Ada, if you dey hear me now, action. Yes. We need people to wake up. Because a lot of people now, una eye don't close. But now me go open now. Very, very important. Again, no sense. They come outside, they threaten people. I beg my people, in case you know say they work for you, I don't bring you the message, but me, are they too far from this woman? She's too small. I beg. My people don't be sweating, no. Now the matter when these people don't bring us down, Odumeje and Rita Edochie, una don't hear her live, direct and straight from the source. So I beg, I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Start the drop her for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. Hey, this one they very, very important. Share them. Make everybody know what they happen. And don't forget to subscribe. Very important. If not, the next one will go come. You go just miss her. Stay tuned for our next story.